Welcome back to Alex Auto Vehicle. Today, we have an exciting review of the all-new BMW X3, a premium SUV that blends luxury, performance, and advanced technology. If you love cars, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. The BMW X3 is one of the most popular luxury SUVs in the market. It offers a perfect balance of sporty performance and everyday comfort, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and families alike. The new model comes with significant updates, making it even more appealing. Under the hood, the BMW X3 offers powerful engine options. You can choose between a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine that delivers 252 horsepower or a 3.0-liter inline-six petrol engine that produces an impressive 360 horsepower. There is also a diesel variant with a 2.0-liter engine generating 190 horsepower. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system for superior handling. The exterior of the BMW X3 features a bold and modern design. The iconic kidney grille is now larger, giving the SUV a more aggressive stance. The sleek LED headlights and sculpted lines add to its dynamic appeal. At the rear, you get sporty LED taillights and a dual exhaust setup, enhancing the premium look. Step inside, and you are greeted by a luxurious and tech-loaded cabin. The BMW X3 comes with a high-resolution 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the latest iDrive 8 software. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Harman Kardon sound system, and a panoramic sunroof make the cabin feel even more premium. Safety is a top priority in the BMW X3. It comes equipped with multiple advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for easy parking. Now, let's talk about the price. The expected price of the new BMW X3 in India starts from 87.70 Indian rupees lakh and goes up to 91.96 Indian rupees lakh, depending on the variant and features. While it is a premium SUV, the performance, luxury, and features it offers make it worth every penny. So, what do you think about the BMW X3? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alex Auto Vehicle for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video. I've created a YouTube script for your video on the BMW X3. Let me know if you need any modifications or additional details.